do you like about the product?
I like that it's so easy to do. Like, you don't have to do much, and you can personalize it to whatever you want and add your own ingredients if you want to go to the store and get your own specific yeast or whatever. You can do however you want. It's your beer.
How easy was it?
It was very easy. The instructions were very easy to follow. There were diagrams on there, little pictures for you to go through it. No problem at all.
Yeah, so scan the QR code right there, and I'll give you a raffle ticket. Don't lose your sticker. Hi guys. Do you want to enter the raffle?
Do you recommend this to your friends and family?
Yes. Yes, I will. That's awesome.
So how long does it take to like brew? How much beer is in this?
1 gallon.
1 gallon?
And it'll take 7 to 14 days.
Gotcha. Depending on the time.
Yeah.
So like you just put it all in and it does everything, or how does it work?
So you just put this whole packet in, you add water, you press the button, well, push the button.
Yeah.